everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we have a thrift haul. I haven't gone thrifting in like forever. There was this thing called the coronavirus which kind of stopped everybody from going out that much, so yeah, I looked at my closet and I was like, Deola, you need some new clothes. So I went out to get some new clothes. I'm going to be showing you and trying on the clothes I got from my recent trip to Oshodi market. You guys know what to do from here. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you all to join my family here on YouTube, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. For today's haul, we have 3 pairs of jeans, 2 pants, 3 skirts, 4 dresses and 4 tops. I'm gonna start with the skirts first. I really like this skirt. So I wasn't supposed to get it. Like, I saw it in the pile and I wasn't that drawn to it. But the second time I looked at it, I was like, oh, this is so cute. It's so summer, it's so like out there. This is the skirt you wear that, you know, you just want to be happy. Like, imagine the skirt. It's such a free-flowing, beautiful, happy skirt. Like, I feel like a happy person in the skirt, it's just perfect. I feel like it's just the perfect happy skirt. I feel like it's very summer appropriate, very happy, very out there, very bright. I like it because it's really bright, and I love the print as well. I like that the skirt has this band right here. It has a band before it flares out, and I feel like that band really helps like cinch in the waist of it. I got this skirt because I have a black skirt exactly like it. Exactly. I have a black skater skirt. It's even in the same fabric. Like, it's insane. Like how, like, it's crazy. Oh my god, I've had this black skirt forever. Like, forever. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I can play around with it. I can do something with it. And I do have a video of these 2 skirts that's going up on my Instagram reels. Follow my Instagram so you get access and you see what I do. Basically, my Instagram is like my life. So follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style these clothes and how I style these skirts. And the last but not the least is this short houndstooth skirt. I love it so much. It makes me look so cute and it fits me. It's stretchy. Like, see how much stretch it has. Like, it has a lot of stretch. I love the way it makes me look. It's so sexy. It's everything. It's everything. I can't wait to wear this out somewhere. I can't wait to just, you know. So I got 2 pairs of pants, and this is one of them. They're both linen and they're both printed, and they're both perfect for casual, you know, like a casual, fun alternative to jeans. They're so soft, they're so comfy, they're like weekend pants, like, you know, the pants you want to do stuff and you want to live in. Like, I feel like dancing, you know, they're just fun and they fit really well. They fit like absolutely well. So they fit so well. They actually fit like this outfit I'm wearing right now. I can really stretch in these pants as well. Second pair of pants. These ones are like an Aztec, black and white Aztec design. I bring you guys closer so you can see. These ones have drawstring so I can make it tighter around the waist. Also, both pants both have pockets. Comfy, lovely, can dress up, can dress down. Can I twerk in them? Yeah, I can twerk in them. Let's move on to dresses, and fun fact, all the dresses I got today are all a similar shade of green. This is the first dress I got. It's a really nice and slinky bodycon little number with an off-shoulder feature. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, this is what I got. It's really cute. Like, it's perfect. It's the perfect going out dress. It's sexy. It's covered, you know, it's a combination of everything that makes a good party dress, a nice party dress. Pair this with a really nice pair of heels, some really nice jewelry, and you know, we're ready for action. We're ready for a night on the town. This is our second dress, and I think this actually might be my favorite dress out of all the 3 dresses I bought. It's really nice and casual, sort of like an everyday going out running errands kind of dress. It has 2 pockets right here. It has elastic cinch in the waist, so it cinches it in. It also has a v-neck. It's like a cute number. It's a cute running errands number. It's not anything, it's not special, but it's definitely something you need. It's really sexy. At the same time, it's really sort of an everyday sort of thing. Alright, this is the last dress. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straight to the point, except it has a low back, like really low back right here. I don't mind. I think it just adds like a sexy element. This is also an opportunity to wear like sexy body jewelry. So the front might look plain, but like at the back you could always wear like a chain that kind of comes down here, that sort of thing. I've just been admiring myself in the mirror. This dress, it's so sexy. It's just like, it's so sexy because it's so simple. That's what I like about it. It's such a simple but sexy dress. Like the back is just perfect. So I mentioned I got 3 pairs of jeans, and this is me wearing one of them. These are the other 2. I don't see any need to try them on for you because they're jeans, they all look the same. I legit have not worn a pair of jeans in forever, like legit. Now I got some nice jeans. Can I twerk in them? Yes. I can twerk in my jeans, I can twerk in my jeans, I can twerk. This is one of the tops I got, and this combo of the blue jeans and the top, it's sexy. Like I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, damn. This top is really cute. It's a really, really nice fun print. I think it goes well with the shade of blue jeans I have on. All I need is a really, do I need heels? I don't know if this outfit calls for heels, but it calls for something. It calls for something cute. It calls for something fun. Here we go. So it is very similar in the shape to that last one, except that on the side it has these 2 ropes, and usually what I do is I just tie it up front here, and it looks really sexy. Also, I'm planning on putting it in my belt hoops, on my belt loops. I'm gonna do that the next time I wear it, so it can really just like kind of tie the outfit together. You guys can see my chubby belly. I have gained a little bit of weight. I really like this top. This top is so Gen Z. I feel like I'm 19 wearing this top right now because this is what they're all wearing. This is like the new trend. So I feel like this is more of a workout kind of cover top. The arms are really huge, like they're very, very big, and it's also really long, as you can see. I feel like this is something you'd wear over like shorts and a bra top if you go to the gym. So I got it. I really like the color. The camera isn't showing it really well, but it's a very mint color. It's a really deep minty color. This is definitely for working out. This is definitely not something you wear out per se, I would say. It's a bit thin. The fabric is really, really thin, and it's also long. So if you're gonna wear this, you're gonna have to wear leggings, you're gonna have to wear like gym shorts. This is the perfect thing to wear biker shorts with. This is the kind of top you wear biker shorts with. You tuck in, you know, tuck it one side, you let one hand, you know, that kind of thing. So this is another top that I got while thrifting. This fabric is really nice and loose, so it allows a lot of air in. Plus, you have kind of like a print clash, so one of the lines on this side are going straight down, these ones are going sideways. So I think it really makes a cool contrast. I got this because I was thinking, what could I wear to the office that's very me, yet it is sort of formal? And I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is definitely it. I can wear this to the office if I need to. I can wear this with a pair of shorts if I'm going out to the beach. I love looking for items that I can dress up or down, that I can find ways to wear in different situations, and this is definitely one of those tops. Last but not the least, this cute AF butterfly top. I think this top is so pretty. One of the prettiest things I own. It's so cute. The print is adorable. It's a fun top. It's one of those fun tops. You can wear it out, you can wear it at home. I love it. Like, I love how I can style it in so many different ways. Like, what do you guys think? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. That is it for today's haul and try on. Do let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite piece is. I'm pretty happy with everything that I bought. There's nothing here that I would exchange or give away. Thank you so much once again for watching this video and for subscribing to my channel if you have. I really, really appreciate it. If you have not, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, it tells YouTube, and it also tells the algorithm that my channel and my video is dope, so it's recommended to more people. And also, do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!